Welcome back to my channel. I'm Iris, and today I'm going to pack my makeup bag with you guys so you can achieve any look from a no makeup look like the one I'm wearing right now all the way up to a smoky eye without bringing too many products. I always start packing in the order of which I do my makeup so I don't forget anything. So I'm going to start with brows, and I'm definitely throwing in a few extra products just so I have a few options to work with while I'm traveling. But I'm going to go in with my NYX micro brow pencil in the shade Natural Brown. It's really great for a natural makeup look. You can fill in your brows really minimally with this, or you could even build it up to a fuller brow if you'd like. So I'm gonna put that in. And I'm gonna throw in the e.l.f. Wow Brow. I've really been loving it for my no makeup looks where I brush it through my brows, especially the center of my brows. It's what I'm wearing right now. It just looks really natural without looking too done up. So I'm definitely bringing this along. For my face, I'm not including skincare in my makeup bag, but I assume you're gonna have your moisturizer with you, and that is really key because mixing a foundation or your concealer with your moisturizer will help make it a lot lighter so that you can wear a no makeup look, or you can build it up and do a fuller coverage. But having a moisturizer that works well with your makeup will really help add some variety into your makeup products while you're traveling. For my under eyes, I'm going to bring the NYX Bear With Me Serum Concealer in the shade Fair and the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Light. And the only reason I'm bringing two concealers is because the colors don't match my skin tone. One's too light for me, one's too dark for me. But if you have one concealer that is the perfect match for you, go ahead and use that. But I also like having these two shades because when I want a brighter under eye, I can just use a little bit more of the lighter concealer. And if I want more of an even all over coverage, I can use the darker concealer, which is what I did today. And if you want a skin tint or if you want a foundation because you feel like you need one, you can definitely pack one. But I feel like for me personally, with just those two concealers and a moisturizer, it's enough for me to go from a no makeup look to a smoky eye and still feel okay without an actual foundation. For a setting powder, I'm going to bring the Well People powder, and this is just the only powder I have to set under the eyes and any other places where I would get a little oily to prevent my makeup from moving around my face. For bronzer, I'm going to bring the AOA bronzer in the shade Palace. This is a cream bronzer. It's also super pigmented. It's actually what I have on right now. You can make this really sheer by using just the tiniest amount, or you can build it up. It's just a little bit of a cooler toned bronzer, so it's not gonna look too red or too pink. So it'll really help warm up the face and add some dimension back into your face as if you were contouring without actually contouring. For an eyeshadow, I'm gonna bring the Lash Style Matte About You palette. This just has beautiful colors for an everyday makeup look, but it also has the deeper colors so you can build up any makeup look that you would like, either in the outer corner or just a full-on smoky eye. You can do all of that with just this one palette. I would also bring this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Frosting. This is a great eyeshadow stick that you can just put on your eyelids for a no makeup look, or maybe like a very simple makeup look. But you can also add this on your lower waterline as a nude liner to open up your eyes, and it's super versatile. You can use it for so many different looks. So I'm going to bring this as well. Versatility is key. You want to bring as few products as you can while being able to create as many different looks as you would like. For an eyeliner, I'm going to bring this CoverGirl eye pencil in the shade Espresso. It's dark enough where you can line your lash line and it'll add a good amount of definition. It's smudgy enough that you can blend it out and do a smoky wing if you'd like, or a smoky liner, but it'll also be long wearing enough that you can put it on your lower waterline and it won't budge for a very smoky eye. So it's definitely very versatile, and because it's brown, you can also use this for your like more natural natural makeup looks as well without it looking too done up, too heavy, too dark. So I'm gonna add this. I have to have a liquid liner as well, and I'm also going in a brown shade because then I can again use it for a daytime look, a natural look, but I can also define my eyes and do more of a dramatic wing for when I want a smoky eye. I'm going to bring my lash curler. I cannot go anywhere without this, as well as tweezers because it's just, you know, you should always have your tweezers. For mascara, if I was going anywhere, I would go with the Heroin Make Volume Up Mascara because this is extremely waterproof. You can build it up to have quite a bit of volume on your lashes, but you can also not build it up and do a very natural lash if you'd like as well. So very versatile product. And for my lips, I'm pretty low maintenance, so I would rather go with something that I can wear for a no makeup look as well as a heavier makeup look. So I'm going to go with the NYX lip pencil in the shade Natural. It's what I have on my lips right now. It's just a very natural lip shade for me. So because it's so natural to me, I can use it for any look that I want, whether it's more natural or a smokier look. And another product for my lips is the AOA lip oil. I've been using this as a lip balm morning and night, as well as a lip oil to top off my lips. It just feels really good on the lips. It lasts a pretty long time and it's super hydrating. So the fact that I can use this for everything essentially, and it makes my lips look good. I don't know why, I don't know how, it's just clear, but it somehow makes my lips look and feel really good. I'm definitely bringing this along wherever I go. And last but very much not least, I'm going to bring a blush along just in case I want to do a more glam makeup look and I feel like something's missing. I want to bring some color back to my face. I actually don't have any blush on today for my no makeup look, and I don't mind it. I actually would just rather skip blush if I didn't have space to bring it. Blush is pretty negligible to me, even in today's very blush-centric makeup world. But if I were to bring one, I would bring the Bare Minerals Confession. It's just a very, very natural color for me, and because of that and because it's buildable, definitely bring this along. Now we cannot forget about tools. I'm going to be bringing this little stippling brush for the bronzer in particular, a blush brush for the blush obviously, a blending brush that you can use for more sheer shades, for more blending, for more diffused blending. This is the Sigma E40 brush, and the Morphe M513 brush. This is just a little bit more dense. It is still fluffy, but with this one you can do more of a like natural look, but also build it up for a darker shade on your outer corner if you need to define your outer corners more, or for a darker smoky eye. And a pencil brush for my lower lash line, or for blending out my eyeliner on my upper lash line. I would bring a powder puff for my powder, and a sponge for my foundation, concealer, all of my face stuff. And that's it. Everything else you can pretty much use your fingers if you'd like. You really don't need much else for your makeup bag, even when you're traveling. And the best part about it is this bag still closes. There's still plenty of room in here, and it won't take up too much room in your luggage. With this, you'll have everything you'll need to go from a no makeup look all the way up to a full glam smoky eye. Well, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and packing my travel bag as if I was traveling somewhere. I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.